Hey everyone, what's happening? Indy Mann here. Another day, another beautiful day, I should say. Just out to go to just been to Builder's Yard actually. Little bit ahead today from making the video. Um, been to Builder's Yard, had to pick up some supplies for my builders as they're working in Wolverhampton, and I was close to Builder's Yard, which we deal with the most. They're based in Smethwick, so I picked up some supplies for them, what they needed. I've got a meeting now. I'm going to West Bromwich, meeting an investor at Costa in West Bromwich. So I will let you know the outcome of the meeting in a bit. And I'm just rushed off my feet at the moment today. I've been working hard already. Busy morning. One of the drivers didn't turn up this morning, so I had to go and cover for him again. So I'm not very happy with that, but it's got to be done. That's part of the business. So we can't let one business flourish and let the other one, get wasted. So we have to look after everything what we got. And I like working hard anyway, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna go to this meeting. This investor wants to come on board with my company and work with us. So let's go and see what he's got to say. So after the meeting, I'll be going straight to my builders in Wolverhampton first. Then I will come back to West Bromwich project later on to see what's happening. I'll keep updating you all day. So stay with me. Keep working hard. Remember, you can do this. Okay? Smash it. Just walking to the meeting now. Let's see what this investor's got to say. We'll show him what we got to offer, and then hopefully he'll come on board, and then off we go. So I'll keep you updated. Hey, what's happening everyone? Here on the site, and sometimes you have to work hard. Okay.